Guys, we have 3,000 bait crates right now, and we're gonna open them. First batch 1,000. Okay. Hello. Let me open it. Okay. I have Super Flakes, Jed. And okay.
Super Flakes? Wow, sis.
I have 2,423 garbage. 802 flies, insect. 7. I'm so rich now. I'm just rich. I'm so rich. Yes, I can. I have shark heads as bait. And then Super Flakes. Oh wait, I'm equipping them, not favoriting them. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Bangon kayo ganun eh. Guys, let's try. I remember there was a place that we could go here.
Yeah.
But now it's gone. Because they're bad. I could buy a Midas rod right now. I could buy a mythical rod right now. What's a volcanic geode?
You open it.
I'll buy 100.
What?
Why? 100 is fine. I'll buy the mythical rod. I'm gonna get poor after this. I have 100 geodes. Let's open it. I got it's just a bait crate but better.
Yeah, it can also give you fish.
New catch, new highest weight, new catch. Oh my god, no way. Bro, all I got was rocks. All I got. It's called pulong bakla. Guys, let's sell. Oh, what's this? Bruh, skin merchant is coming, guys. Mark merchant. I'd like to sell my inventory. I have rock. Bro, do I actually have to sell these one by one? Bro. Do I have to sell these one by one? No, it's not selling all at the same time. That's the problem. What? I just got 470,000 from something. I don't know what to sell, bro. My I'm gonna try selling this ruby.
No, don't sell the ruby. You need it.
I'm checking the price. That's crazy. You stay there. Can I sell the alien things?
Oh, I have 9
Why does a banana cost so much, bro? A banana costs so much. I farted. Bro, I'm rich. Bro, I'm rich, bro. No, you did not give these. I'm checking the prices.
Oh my god, this is almost 1,000,000.
Wow. Wait, I'm gonna take out all my things so that I can only sell.
Wait, I think I'm gonna go catch some more Sillas. They are worth millions.
Yes, Silas are so good.
You know, getting to calm zone is easy.
Lunar Star, Nova Star.
I have a bunch of admin bait too. Admin rods, admin bows,
Darkened
admin
mustard.
admin bobbers.
What are these mustards, bro? It's
Mustard! They're really easy to get.
the mustards are worth so much for some reason.
Yeah, an average one is like 20k.
I know. So good.
Dude, this one I have is like 500k.
Okay.
No. So peaceful.
It doesn't say you gave these. This one you gave.
Those other ones I fished up in your account.
Tonight has 1 times 1x fishing.
Bro, that only gives 0.1.
That's crazy. I'm recording you.
Oh my god, blue fish. Baby blue fish. Baby blue fish.
Why? Oh, I don't have anything in my inventory. Mustard. 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 No. Mustard. Bro, why are the mustard so good? No, not this. I want mustard.
Mustard.
I can only get things over.
Huh?
That's crazy. That's crazy.
How much money do you have now?
Wait, I'm still blinking egg. What? Wait, I'm actually so. Why are the mustards so good, bro? I'm gonna try to get the blue fish. Maybe blue fish.
Let's go. Shula.
Nah, I don't wanna play Forsaken right now. Let's go get the blue fish, guys. Bobby blue fish. Bobby. I'm Bobby. Bobby. Nah, bro. Oh. Bro, what are you doing, Jed?
Everything.
Okay, stop though. Where's the baby blue fish is right here. No, where is my
what?
I just realized I lost my, ano? You know, the one you get fish with. Oh, rod. My rod is here. Okay. Can I get a baby blue fish with this rod? The fallen rod?
I think so.
How about the carrot rod?
No.
Bro, I got a pickle. I got a pickle. Bro, what is this?
Correct.
I'm so cooked, bro.
Correct.
This game is so epic, bro. Bro, stop giving pickle. It's so annoying. Oh my god! You found I got nothing. I lost my streak of 200. He will do modern mulat dito.
Yeah, modern mullet.
Gusto niya ay. I know. Gusto niya mohawk.
No, what
Ano?
the hell?
Sabi na mohawk.
Yeah, that's
Sabi na mohawk gusto niya.
Shut up.
I got a flying fish. Strange whirlpool. Bro, I keep getting
Let's go to Strange
pickle.
Whirlpool.
No, I'm at Baby Bloop. She gonna call me Baby Bloop.
Okay, you can use baby Bloop then.
She gonna call me Baby Bloop. I need to go in the middle. Why can't I move? I can't move. No. I need to move here. Baby Bloop. She gonna call me Baby
And
Bloop.
then first aisle.
Huh?
Good God is there. We come pick you up.
Ancient Isle?
No. Cursed aisle.
Oh. What's that?
It only comes at a specific time.
She gonna call me Baby Bloop. She gonna call me Baby Bloop. I'm at the middle.
Hey, I'm coming to pick you up.
Bro, it's so
Where
impossible.
are you?
Bro, I am fishing so hard. Stop it.
Come in.
I'm peeking. I'm
Come
fishing.
in.
I'm
Will you
fishing.
spawn soon? Did you get it?
5-5. I don't think I got it.
Yeah. Come on.
Wait, this is my last. Please.
Mythic fish.
I hate you. You gave me imposter syndrome. Wait, one more fish, Jed. Oh, yo. Jed, look.
Bro, you got red.
Look, oh my god. No, Jed.
What?
Stop it, bro. I'm losing.
Stupid. Oh my god, I'm lagging.
I got baby blow. There's a baby blow. She gonna call me baby blow. She gonna call me baby blow. Jed, stop it.
Get out.
Where?
Get out of the boat.
I can't see anything.
Neither can I. Let's go back.
No, like actually, I can't.
Where did you start?
Jed, where are you?
Bro, where did you go?
I don't know. Change location. Yeah, I still don't know where am I.
Okay.
Let me turn my brightness up,
In the
bro.
house.
I see your boat. I'm gonna go on. Wait, I'm blind. more. Where? Where? Oh, here.
Open it.
Bro, it's
Bro, I'll give you some more money. Sure. 50%. Let's complete 50%. I'll fish it up for you. Okay?
chill out. Stop recording. I'll pause it. I'll pause it. Bro, pause.
The bottom there.
Okay. Look at your bottom. At the sandbar. Move. I'm first.
Quantum physics.
I'm first. I'm first. Move space for your dad.
Yes.
Bro. Bro. What the hell?
Yeah, it can double catch. Even with no enchant.
No, I mean like, did you just see that?
Yeah.
Rain out?
And it can also give another mutation. Curse touch.
What? I wanna go there.
Ang kanto kay nagsimsim
No.
games kat. Munitis kala una ito no Friday. Katay na competition.
I will turn into someone new. I smell smoke. Bro. Wait, I'm recording again. I'm recording bro. I'ma go to Grand Reef.
Okay na dyan gusto kayo?
Wow, makatanong kang maglawe.
Ganda niyo magkanya ng nila ba?
What? Grand Reef.
Alangan.
I love how it's bright. You. Right this easy.
Damot ni Manila rin.
Where's my...
Namang ko ko ande tas ta cabinet mo nga mina.
Where's my items?
Nagtakal yun.
Why you type, bro? Tidebreaker and Heart of Zeus. Huh? Wait, I'm using Heart of Zeus and it says follow the lightning. Yo. Bro, let me land at the correct spot. It says follow the lightning.
Bro, it's glitchy.
Oh. Oh, bro. Bro. What happens if I go down that?
Yeah, go to a new area. Just like bring your door.
Oh, hell no. What's this? Oh, never mind. I'm
No,
scared.
keep going.
No. I'm actually... What? Again? Why am I slow?
Nakabayad ko dito.
Bro, I'm lagging. Why do I keep getting an extra?
It's passive.
Oh.
It's a 50-50 chance.
Bruh, what is that, bro? Green guy. What? When did I get this? Okay.
Don't fish in that place. Don't fish in that place. It's because those are ocean fishes, Bella.
Oh,
Complete one puzzle. Like the solo one.
yeah. I don't want puzzle. Bro. Let me fish. Bro, what? I'm lagging. It says I'm holding a fish, but I'm not.